you want orange or green?
Orange.
That is this actually, guys. And then we're gonna go to green. How do you do?
Verify EPO backup. Ask a uniformed crew member for directions to the Green Team Less Intense Training Area.
Ready, Team 6? Ready, Team 7?
Attention astronaut candidates.
Mission to Mars. Teams are awaiting your arrival at the landing site here at Ballas Marineris. Your mission is to get to that landing site. Your flight path to Mars will take you around the moon for lunar gravity assist. But even with that slingshot, your trip will take 3 months. So we'll have to put you into hypersleep.
Hypersleep activated.
Don't worry, it'll only seem like a second or two to you. I'll give you a wake-up call when you get to Mars.
T-minus 3 minutes and counting.
Okay, now listen up. Here are your assignments. Navigator, you'll fire the thrusters for lunar orbit insertion and for descent to the surface of Mars. Pilot, on my signal, I'll need you to trigger the second stage rocket. You'll also deploy the shields. Commander, you will be responsible for first stage separation and activating manual control for landing. Engineer, when it's bedtime, you will activate hypersleep. You will also extend the wings for landing. Don't worry, when it's time to push the buttons, they will light up. Then I'll give you the go. One last thing. In the event of an emergency landing, there are control sticks at every crew position. Okay, Lieutenant. Any final instructions for our new kids?
When the flight bay doors open, follow the markings on the floor to your capsule. Then move all the way across, taking your crew position in the cockpit, and stow all personal items in the compartment in front of you. Then reach up and pull down your restraint. Now listen carefully. Leaning forward, closing your eyes, or looking left or right during your flight could disorient you. So keep your head back against the headrest. Keep your eyes open at all times, and focus straight ahead, even if you start to feel disoriented. They're all yours, Capcom.
Well, I guess that's everything. Good luck, Mars team. You are on the clock.
Follow the markings on the floor to your
Attention
X-Team
trainers.
trainer and
Follow the markings on the floor to your X-Team.
store personal items in the compartment in front of you. Then reach up and pull down on the restraint.
Capcom, to Mars X2. Welcome aboard, team. After you get settled, check out your buttons. Navigator, welcome aboard. Now remember, during the mission, you will be initiating lunar orbit and descent. All you have to do is fire the second stage and deploy the shields. Surgeon, how are we doing?
All good for launch.
Commander, just remember your assignments. First stage separation and manual control.
Loading flight plan.
Engineer, just a reminder, you will activate hypersleep and extend the wings.
Just like she is
Push up on those restraints, please.
Warning, instrument panel closing. If needed, space sickness bags are located on the instrument panel.
This is weird shit.
What the fuck?
second stage rocket. Now.
Leaving Earth orbit. Velocity 15,000. 16,000. You should have visual of the space station now, and you are on course for your slingshot around the moon.
Navigator, fire rockets for lunar orbit insertion. Now.
Beautiful sight, isn't it? Something to dream about on the way to Mars.
Engineer, activate hypersleep. Now.
Computer override. Hypersleep duration 3 months. Monitoring morning. Rise and shine. Let's go, team. We've got a problem. Beginning evasive maneuvers. This meteor storm is directly over your Mars landing site. Proximity alert. Pilot, deploy the shield. Now. Computer override. Shield deployed.
We're ready for deorbit burn.
Navigator, fire rockets for descent. Now.
Computer override. Rocket fired. 200 miles to planet surface.
Engineer, extend wings for gliding. Now.
Computer override. Wings extended.
We've lost autopilot.
Commander, activate manual control. Now.
Activated.
All hands on the control sticks. Pull back. Pull back. Left. Pull left. Watch the canyon wall. Now right. Ease it left.
They're coming in too high.
Back to center. Just hold it stick.
Runway ends in 1,000 feet. 200
Watch
feet.
the barrier.
50 feet.
Pull back. Hang on. Down and clear.
Alert. Location canyon edge.
Don't move a muscle. Good work, team. You made it to the landing site. Welcome to Mars. And welcome to the astronaut corps.
Okay, heads back, releasing restraints. Now push the restraints up. Be sure to gather all your belongings and follow the arrows out.